Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to get a bus ticket to Yangon, please.
Sure. When are you planning to travel?
Today, if possible.
All right, let me check the schedule.
Okay, thank you.
We have two buses today, one at 10 a.m. and one at 2 p.m.
Which one is better in terms of comfort?
Both are the same type of bus, but the 10 a.m. one is usually less crowded.
Oh, that's better. I'll take the 10 a.m. one then.
Great. One ticket, right?
Yes, one ticket, please.
Do you prefer a window seat or aisle seat?
Can I have a window seat, please?
Let me check. Yes, we have one available.
Perfect.
Do you have any luggage with you?
Yes, just one small bag.
That's fine. There's no extra charge for that.
Excuse me, how long does the journey take?
It usually takes around 6 hours.
Does the bus stop on the way?
Yes, there is one short stop for rest and food.
How long is the break?
Around 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, that's good.
The ticket price is 25,000 shots.
All right. Can I pay by cash?
Yes, cash is fine. Or card if you prefer.
No, cash is okay.
All right.
Here you go.
Thank you. Just a moment. I'll print your ticket. Here is your ticket.
Thank you. Which platform should I go to?
Platform 3.
And what time should I arrive?
Please try to be here at least 30 minutes before departure.
Okay, noted.
Also, don't forget to keep your ID with you.
All right, I will.
Is this your first time traveling to Yangon by bus?
No, I've done it a few times before.
Oh, nice. Do you travel often?
Not very often, only when I need to visit friends or family.
That makes sense.
What about you? Do you work here every day?
Yes, I work here almost every day.
Is there air conditioning on the bus?
Yes, all buses are air-conditioned.
Good. Is it comfortable for long travel?
Yes, it's quite comfortable. We also provide blankets at night.
That's nice. And is there Wi-Fi?
No Wi-Fi, but you can use mobile data.
Okay, that's fine. All right, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
If you want to sound natural like this in real life,
Don't translate from your language. Learn the real phrases.
try using just one sentence from today's lesson.
And practice it in your daily life.
If this helped you,
Subscribe to Learn English Moments.
we post real English conversations every week.
See you in the next lesson.